Tada! Good morning! Good morning!
Morning!
Good morning! Good morning! Good morning!
Good morning, Candy.
Good morning!
Parang hindi pagod ah.
Itutour ko kayo. I miss this house.
Namiss mo ba? Namiss mo?
Hello, mami, namiss ko yung bahay. Yo, this is a storage room.
Bro, you're so early!
Why?
You're the first one!
Oh, it's okay. It's alright. And here is the task room, everybody.
Stop that. We don't get it confidential.
Oh, Kuya, I miss you na! Ibalik mo na ako dito sa bahay mo. Pagod na ako sa outside world.